It's that time of the year. Guess who I have today? I got a special guest today. It's the pinecone ginger lily. I love this specimen. I love this fruit. I love this flower. I don't know whether to call it a fruit or whether to call it a flower. I'm not sure, but I still love it. I love the color. It pops next to all the green, and it blooms in early fall, late summer. So today I'm going to show you how to harvest it, and also show you a little bit of secret that it has, and some of the things, some of the great uses that you can use it in your everyday use for. So stick around. Oh, by the way, you already know it's me, Rob, your eco-friendly neighbor. So let's do this. Okay, here is the pinecone ginger lily. This is the leaf. It has a beautiful leaf. It gives you that tropical look. My goal for my garden is to have a tropical paradise. So it gives you that nice look. Great plant for next to to kind of be like a border between your property. And if you look real closely, you'll see here's one right here. There's a pinecone ginger lily just kind of peeking out. And look right here. You can't miss the red fruit. Right there, there's one. Then move the foliage. And if you look down in there, you see it's a bright red. That's beautiful. Yeah, so it's excellent. As you can see, it gets probably about maybe 6 feet max, but it spreads. It actually spreads. So, but you'll notice you'll plant one, and then you'll see more and more kind of spring up. But the more, of course, the more fruit you'll get out of it. So I love the plant. It definitely gives a tropical look. Right next to my canna lilies, it gives that pop. Then you just throw a little spot of color in there, which is nice. You can even put it in the front. Definitely incorporate it into your garden.